Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make clips stick together in DaVinci Resolve 18. For example, I have two clips right here, this one, and now I want to just snap it together. So I just want to bring it over here and then it should snap together. But as you can see, it doesn't work. And if I let go, it just squeezes the clip. Or for example, if you have your cursor right here, and you actually just can't find the real beginning, you can just zoom over it like this. What you have to do to fix this is in your middle bar, you can see this sign. This is your snapping tool. This is just a little magnet. And if you enable it, then it should be white. And then you can just, as you can see, if you come close to the beginning of a clip, it just snaps to it. Or for example, if you just move this clip, then it also snaps together like this. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make clips stick together in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.